hope you are all fine. As per vastu, Aparajita is an auspicious plant which should be grown in northeast or northeast direction. The plant eliminates negative energies and brings happiness. Other common names are blue butterfly pea plant, blue bellvine, butterfly pea, Kordofan pea, Darwin pea, Asian pigeon wings, etc. As per vastu, there are a lot of benefits of this plant, such as it removes all negative energy, wealth is attracted, intelligence becomes sharp, and also removes shani dos. With this, Aparajita plant is widely popular for its numerous medicinal properties and uses. It helps in keeping blood sugar levels stable, serving as an excellent choice for diabetes. Before also we had uploaded a video on how to make blue tea of the Aparajita plant flowers. So if you wish to, you can watch the video. These flowers can be also very helpful in treating many eye problems and improving eyesight. Aparajita plant is also used in hair care, skin care and many other things. And this Aparajita is normally a summer season plant. So in winter this goes in dormancy period. But if you wish to, you can keep this plant year after year, like how my mom has done it. So whenever it's dormancy period, you need to take care of your plant with some simple steps. So keep on watching the video to know how. Whenever the winter period will come, you will start to notice that the flowers will be starting to shed. Here you will also notice the leaves starting to become yellow. So bestly you can prune your plant and keep it in a sunny area so that it gets 6 to 7 hours of sunlight. In this period, if you have any seed pods, you can plant it, but before that make sure to dig your soil. Even though there is no chance of the seeds sprouting right now, but you'll be able to see that as soon as the spring season starts, the plants will start to sprout. And with this process, you can grow so many new plants with this new technique. You probably know that Delhi has a very extreme cold climate. That's why mulching is a must. This mulching helps the plant to protect itself from any damage from the cold weather. So if you have any kind of Aparajita plant, you can mulch it with any kind of dry leaves, dry grass, etc. And this is how you can take care of your Aparajita plant and make it plant for years and years. Hope you enjoyed this video. There is also a playlist on this Aparajita plant. So if you wish to, you can watch all the videos and know more about your plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.